Have you ever wondered what makes Islamic rituals and practices so unique and deeply meaningful? With over 1.8 billion Muslims worldwide, the diversity and richness of these practices continue to inspire awe and curiosity. Join me as we uncover the spiritual beauty behind these timeless traditions. Islamic rituals and practices are more than just acts of worship. They are profound connections between individuals and their Creator. These practices not only guide Muslims in their daily lives, but also foster a deep sense of community, spirituality, and discipline. In this video, we'll explore the significance of prayer, salah, the importance of charity, zakat, and transformative journeys like Ramadan and Hajj. Stay with me to discover the wisdom behind these rituals and how they shape the lives of millions. Misunderstandings about Islamic rituals often arise due to stereotypes and misinformation. Let's address some common misconceptions. Misconception 1. Islam is rigid and outdated. In reality, Islamic practices are timeless, promoting balance, self-discipline, and mindfulness. Misconception 2. Islamic rituals are purely personal. While they are deeply personal acts of worship, they also emphasize community, social justice, and collective well-being. Misconception 3. Islam oppresses women. From the right to education to financial independence, Islamic teachings have empowered women for centuries. Clearing these misconceptions helps us appreciate the beauty and universality of Islamic teachings. Now, let's dive into the core practices that define Islam. Salah, prayer. Salah is performed 5 times daily, offering Muslims a direct line to Allah. It's a moment of gratitude, forgiveness, and guidance. Imagine standing shoulder to shoulder with millions worldwide, unified in worship, a truly humbling experience. Establish prayer for my remembrance, Quran 20:14. Zakat, charity. Giving 2.5% of one's wealth annually to those in need purifies one's earnings and fosters equality. And establish prayer and give zakat, and whatever good you put forward for yourselves, you will find it with Allah. Quran 2:110. Ramadan, fasting. During Ramadan, Muslims abstain from food, drink, and negative actions from dawn to sunset. It's a time for reflection, self-control, and empathy for the less fortunate. O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting, that you may become righteous. Quran 2:183. Hajj, pilgrimage. A once-in-a-lifetime journey to Mecca, Hajj represents equality and submission to Allah. Pilgrims wear simple white garments, symbolizing unity, and proclaim to the people the Hajj. They will come from every distant pass. Quran 22:27. Dhikr, remembrance of Allah. Repeating phrases like Subhanallah, glory be to Allah, and Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah, keeps hearts connected to the divine. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest. Quran 13:28. Let me share a story of transformation. A young man battling depression and addiction embraced Islam. Through consistent prayer and fasting during Ramadan, he found inner peace and purpose. His life took a 180-degree turn as he became a source of inspiration for his community. This story reminds us of the power of faith and the wisdom embedded in Islamic practices. Islamic rituals are not just acts of worship. They are profound tools for personal growth, community building, and spiritual fulfillment. From the discipline of salah to the compassion fostered by zakat, each practice offers valuable life lessons. If this video gave you a new perspective on Islam, please hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content. Let's build a community of understanding and mutual respect. And don't forget to check out my other videos for deeper insights into the Islamic faith. Jazakallahu khair for watching. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.